Come back. Today we are going to solve two previous year questions of PGBP 14 marks and then last attempt partnership form question. Okay, okay. We'll solve this question in this video. Very easy PGBP. When it comes to PGBP, very scoring area only. But when it comes to an tricky adjustment only, we'll might get it wrong. But for the adjustments we have already made, no. For the known adjustments we have whatever adjustments, no, that 10 and 10 plus 10 or 20 15 of adjustments would have been given in the question. For how much adjustments we are correct, they'll be awarding 1 mark or 2 mark for those. So anyways, we'll be getting, even though the answer is wrong, we'll be getting 9 to 10 marks for sure. If one or two adjustments and the total is wrong, now we can get around 8 to 9 marks. So our target is to solve this question. Okay, right. Direct Limited, Kolkata, net profit of 2 lakh 75,000. Okay, now we'll slowly arrange PGBP. Any other income comes now, we'll arrange it here. Okay, PGBP income, net profit. How much is the net profit? Net profits 22 lakh 75,000. Okay, now items debited to P&L which have to be added back. Okay, what's the interest on loan on NBFC? The interest on loan on NBFC, this amount remained unpaid till the due date of return as per 43B. Actual payment only allowed. Okay, actual payment only allowed, so disallowed this amount of 1,85,000. Okay, then depreciation as per Companies Act, add back. Then payment to fee register of companies, because the thing is, change in article of association, change in memorandum of association, or changes in authorized share capital, or changes, making changes in capital base. If it is change in capital base, now we should not bring it to the P&L area, so add back those things. How much? 15,000 plus 20,000 plus 70,000, just 1,05,000. Now deferred tax, deferred provisions and all is disallowed, so 50,000 plus 85,000 plus 2,40,000, which is 3,75,000 plus. Retrenchment compensation is always allowed, so no provision, no adjustment on that. Then comes items credited to P&L account, less items credited to P&L account, which is that profit from unit established in special economic zone. So these are all income from manufacturing. So we'll set it in a separate area. Income from manufacturing business, profit from sales. How much? 2,75,000. Deduct that, 2,75,000. They are separately doing it, that's it. Okay, income from growing and manufacturing of tea, this is also having special provisions. Okay, income from tea, 1 lakh, deduct that here. Then comes what? Company received a refund of interest on income tax of 47,000. Okay, they have received it, and he has interest. He has received interest of 7,000. So IFOs, interest on refund of IT, 7,000, add back. Then depreciation as per income tax, deduct that, which is 4 lakh. Then comes Business loss brought forward of assessment in non-speculative is deductible. Okay, 3,75,000 non-speculative. Then comes business loss brought forward of assessment year 2022-23. Speculative business is not allowed, so not taking it. Unabsorbed depreciation is have been already adjusted with the depreciation, so that's not should be taken. Very important point. And MSME. During the year, company purchased raw materials from micro enterprises for rupees 45 lakhs and paid 37.5 lakh only. So 7.5 lakh. They haven't paid up to the end of the year. They settled the balance on after end after year end. So that amount is disallowed. Add back that 7,50,000. For all these things, we have to write a notes. Then only we'll get marks. Then advance tax paid. This is a post computation of total income. So we'll do so far. 22,75,000, 1,85,000 plus 3,70,000 plus 1,05,000 plus 3,75,000 plus 7,50,000, which is yeah, missed to add this amount penalty also not allowed, no, so penalty. Okay, now 41 lakh 20,000 minus 2,75,000 minus 1 lakh minus 4 lakh minus 3,75,000, which is 29 lakh 70,000. Okay, another one thing we have missed here is 47,000. This is the refund. Okay, minus 47,000. This is also not related to a PGBP income. This is also should be removed. Okay, income from tea, we have deducted 1 lakh, but 60% is the business income. Sorry, 40% is the business income, 60% is agricultural income. So 60,000, 40,000 will take. Total all this will get the PGBP income. Okay, GTA we will get 29 lakh 23,000 plus 22 lakh 75,000 plus 40,000 plus 7,000, which is 32 lakh 45,000 minus section 10AA 100% deduction for profit from this economic unit, no, because the company is established the business setup in economic zone in December 2020, and till December 2025 they have validity. So 100% deduction is provided, so 2,75,000. Then total income comes, net total income 24,000, 45,000 minus 2,75,000, which is 25 lakh 70,000. Tax rate is they have given the 25% plus 4% into 25% plus 104%, which is 70,000 into 25% into 104%, 7,25,400. How much the advance tax paid? Advance tax is 5 lakh paid. Okay, 7,72,200 minus 5 lakh. So the net tax payable is 2,72,200. Okay, we go to the next problem. I hope you guys have understood this problem. Easy only. A few things we have to careful. Few things we have to be careful, and we have to practice a lot. Okay, next question. It deals with the same manufacturing business. So net profit 4 lakh, sorry, 43 lakhs 45,000 plus disallowed incomes we have to add back. Raw material purchase will include the purchase from WS and Co LLP 15 lakhs on 12th March. WS and Co LLP is a micro enterprise. A sum of 8 lakh was paid on 20th March, but balance has been paid after year end only. So add back the net amount, which is 7 lakhs. Then one manager of the company, Atul, went on a business trip to foreign country and he died there in a road accident. The company paid gratuity voluntarily to okay, voluntary. No corrections in this. It is allowed. Okay. Advertisement expenditure paid to 2.5 lakhs to Surya LLP, in which one of its director is a designated partner. So one of a director in Devi Private Limited is the designated partner of Surya LLP. Similar advertisement expenditure incurred, but they have paid only 1,90,000. Then 60,000 is the disallowed. Okay. Late fee for delayed filing of TDS quarterly statement is 10,000. Interest late fee is allowable deduction, but interest for TDS thing is a penalty kind of thing. So that has to be added back. Late fee is allowed as deduction. Okay. Employees provident fund recovered from salary of the month of August 24 is remitted on October, and the balance 40,000 on and 40,000 in March 25 is remitted on 20th. This is after next month, next 15th. Okay. So both are disallowed. 1 lakh add back. Then comes employers contribution, also remitted on the same date. The employer contribution, the company can remit before ROA only. So not they haven't no next this next 15th is not applicable to employer contribution. Then comes on the occasion of New Year, the company gave one laptop to each of its 10 distributors. The cost of the laptop was 60,000 each. The company did not deduct any amount by way of tax reduction at source for the laptops given to the distributors. The cost of laptops were debited to statement of profit and okay. They have given 60,000 worth of laptops to 10 distributors, 6 lakh. Okay, whenever the company is giving a laptop, that laptop should giving a laptop as a sales promotion to the distributors, that has to be deducted with TDS of deducted with TDS. If not deducted, that has to be then 30% of disallowed, being the distributors are resident in India. So okay, 1,80,000. Then one machinery was acquired on 10th September 24 before October 3rd. Okay, so full 100% of depreciation is allowed. 15,50,000 payment was made through bank channels, and they have made another 17 lakhs totally incurred. Okay, including this 1,50,000 paid through UPI only, prescribed mode. The said machinery was previously used by a foreign company outside India for 6 years. Okay, second-hand machinery they have used, but they have claimed depreciation as well as additional depreciation. So remove the additional depreciation, which is disallowed. So 17 lakhs into 20%, 3 lakh 40,000. Then comes annual bonus debited to statement of P&L account. Okay, the same was unpaid till the date of filing of ITR. This is section. Comes under 43. Bonus comes under 43B. If not paid, actual payment not paid, that is not allowed as a deduction. So 43B, which is 15 lakhs. Okay, then comes donation to registered political party. This is an apart from business and given as a deduction only. Donation, remove that, which is 20,000. Then comes A sum of 5 lakh was waived by an NBFC compromising 3.8 lakhs of principal and 1.2 lakhs interest. The interest paid off is credited to P&L and the principal was paid. Okay, the said loan was originally obtained for acquiring a vacant like capital asset. Okay, if that is a revenue asset, now both things will become taxable. But in the case of acquiring the vacant land, only the interest portion, uh, which is no actual payment is not made at any point of time because it's a waive off. So add back. So less. Interest on loan waive off. How much? 1,20,000. What's the total income? You can calculate, right? Because everything is related to PGB only. 43 lakh 45,000 plus 7 lakh plus 60,000 plus 25,000 plus 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 80,000 plus 3 lakh 40,000 plus 15 lakh plus 20,000 minus 1 lakh 20,000. Yes, the answer is 71 lakh 50,000. This is the PGBP income. They have asked us to find out only the total income. No, so this is the total income. Okay, we'll go to the last problem for today. Global Traders provides the following profit and loss for the profit and loss account for the year of year ending 31st 3 2026. Three partners are there. They have given the P&L account. So same like PGBP only. We'll take the net profit. What's the net profit here? 14 lakh 20,000 plus what's the salary? Salary is initial itself disallowed. Okay, we'll be finding it. Add back plus or minus PGBP adjustments. As exactly we do in PGBP adjustments, we have to do. So cost of goods sold is allowed. Interest on capital which is lesser than 12% allowed. Donation to political party is disallowed. Add back donation. Disallowed means this is not a disallowed. This is the not a business nature of expense. So 25,000. Municipal taxes is allowed, and then long term capital gain which is the not PGBP income. So deduct that. LTCG capital gain part 2 lakh lesser. 2 lakh less it. Then IFO's income which is dividend, this is also removed. 14 lakh 20,000 plus 6 lakh 50,000 plus 25,000 minus 2 lakh minus 10,000 which is 18 lakh 85,000 is the PGBP before PGBP of P firm before salary. Now this is the book profit. The main term which is called as book profit only. We'll for understanding PGBP before salary we are keeping it. Okay. So in this up to 6 lakh 90%, remaining amount which is 12.85 lakhs into 60% is allowed as remuneration. 6 lakhs into 90% which is 5 lakh 40,000. Then 12 lakh 85,000 into 60% which is 7 lakh 71,000. So total allowable remuneration is 13 lakh 11,000 is the allowable remuneration. What they have actually allowed, they are allowed only, they have paid only 6 lakh 50,000 only. So PGBP income 18 lakh 85,000 minus remuneration which is 6 lakh 50,000. Then minus 6,50,000, which is 12,35,000. Okay, this is the PGBP income we have found. Then we have to calculate the other income also. No, capital gain is there. Capital gain is how much? 2 lakhs. IFOS is that dividend, which is 10,000. So total GTI is 14 lakh 45,000. Then calculate the any deduction. Yes, yes, 80 GGA, which is for 25,000 to 100% deduction allowed to political parties donation. Then comes non-tax, sorry, net taxable income, which is 14,20,000. Okay, tax liability into 30 percentage. Okay, before applying 30 percentage on whole of money, we have a capital gains. No? 2 lakhs balancing figure, which is 12,20,000 into 12.5 percentage being LTCG into 30 percentage for normal business income, normal income. Okay, 30 percentage, which is 36, sorry, 3,66,000. 2 lakh into 12.5 percentage, which is 25,000. Okay, total this 3,66,000 plus 25, 4,16,000 plus 4 percentage, which is 4,32,640 is the tax liability. Okay, 25,000 plus 3,66,000, which is 3,91,000 only, plus 4%, which is 4,06,640. Okay, that's it. We'll meet with another new set of questions.